Okay, so Angel is going under some upgrades right now. So, as you can tell, it's not fully white. I took off all those fairings because they're pretty bad. As you can tell, the white is fading because of the heat. And I should have bought a painted fairing. So, that's what I'm about to get next. As you can tell, it's definitely fading out. So yeah, took that off. Upgraded the exhaust from the M4 that I had on it. Looked like a freaking cannon. So hopefully this sounds better. So this is my first boot up after installing this. So let's see how that sounds. All right. Bear with me. I need two hands to do this. That sounds way better.